Alright guys, so I am replacing a Motorola screen. This is my first time doing this. My wife was entering my car and she dropped it on the floor, and I drove over it. By the time I realized that the cell phone was missing, it was too late because I had already destroyed the screen with my tires. I am trying to remove the back panel. So I guess I have to be very careful here. So I'm supposed to heat this up, but I don't have a blower or anything like that to do that. So I might have to do this very carefully. Let me see what's going on behind there. So I bought an extra light to see if I can see what's going on inside there. Alright, so there is an adhesive that is holding this piece where the camera is at. So I might have to pry around it to see if I can take it off. Gotta do it slowly. So you hear the little crackling? So you gotta give it a little time. See that? Just gotta be nice to it. Make some nice love to it. You hear that? Ah. See that? That's how you take that off. I see that some people use a heat gun to remove that, but I did not use that, so I'm just breaking this off. Okay. Uh-oh. So I guess that's the fingerprint. So I gotta do the same thing here. See that? Ah! So I didn't use any heat gun, guys. Come on. Perfectly done. So now, let's see, what do I need from this guy right here? Maybe it's this one. All right. We are in business. Take this off. See that little S? That has a screw underneath it. That's 11 screws. All right, so I don't think I'm missing any more. So this should be able to come up. Perfect. So that's that. All right, let me disconnect the battery, because I like to do all these with the battery involved. And let me disconnect this one as well. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna take this off. Try to put your screws in a different location so that they are not mixed. I guess that's it for this one. I don't see any more. Will that come up? Let me see. How do I take this off? Boom. You have to be very careful with this thing. See this little piece right here? I guess you have to disconnect that too. You see that? What else needs to come out? You have to be very gentle with this thing. Alright, so that's the modem board. Alright. Alright, so this, I'll put that right there. What else is there? The speaker. Alright, better yet, let me continue to remove the screws right here. Alright, so with that, this is that. Let me make sure I take this screw off so I don't get confused. Alright, so I believe this is where the microphone and the speaker, the vibrator is. So I'm gonna put that right here. And I'm gonna have to disconnect this guy right here. I think that's, I don't even know what that is, but I disconnected it. And there's one more. Let me see if this thing will help me out a little bit to take these things off. Yep, it's good. That's off. Actually, I probably did not even have to remove that. I just have to remember that. So that's that. This little guy right here should be able to come right up. Boom. Put that to the side. This is the little generator. This is what causes it to vibrate, I believe. That's that. Again, you gotta take your time. Let it do its thing. Little by little. Just a little bit. Because I didn't want to use heat on this. Gotta do a little by little. Wow. They really put this thing in there. Good. There we go. I think I got it now. Little by little. Okay. This thing is still on there. I would be shocked if this thing is still working. Alright, so we flattened this out. However, this little adhesive here, we have to remove this. Yeah. We're gonna put that aside. And of course, this little guy here, I gotta take it off. I believe that's the speakerphone. Alright, so this is the old screen. Alright, so now we're gonna build the new one. Now we're going to see if we can put everything back. So I am going to remove, because I believe this little guy right here will have to sit exactly where this is, like this. Okay, So this, I already put this on. This is the generator. And now this little guy here we have to put back. Like this. And I believe it sits like this. And then we're going to screw. Let me make sure that everything is in properly, because this is your charging port right here. That's fine. Like this. Allow this to here. Like that. All right. The battery. All right, so now we're going to place the battery. So I believe we have to remove this, because I believe this is the adhesive for it. Boom. And then we're going to drop it right in there. That's that. So that's the new screen that we're looking at. This thing has so many steps. Now we're putting the modem board back inside. And then we're going to move this guy so that it can sit. Voila! And then after that, we're going to connect the screen. There you go. That's that. And this, that's the battery I'm connecting. All right. Now, and then you screw everything in, just like so. Alright, so now all we have to do now, we're gonna put the I believe this is for the fingerprint, so we just have to match that. I'm gonna try to see if I can do it straight. If it's not, so be it. I think I'll take this. That's fine. Well, I'm gonna put this back. All right, so let's do a test. I don't think you need this anymore. This is the brand new phone. This is the one from before. This is the one from before. This is the new one. So now, let's turn it on. Haha! It turned on. I can't let you see my code. Wait. Yay! What is it? Boom! Storage. Not now. Bingo! Thank you for watching, and hopefully you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If not, you can still give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.